Guys, this is Mr. Joshy J, and today I'm here with a little unboxing video of something I picked up from eBay. Now I started unboxing it a bit already because don't want you seeing my address and that, but you know, here it comes. Well, this person's definitely wrapped it up well, so just lift it out. Oh, definitely wrapped up well, look at that. And here you have it. Yep, limited edition aqua blue PlayStation 2 fans console. Oh, quite a bit of dust in the fan, but that's your expansion bay, you know, for like to play online and that when you had to play online. Oh, it's still got the seal on it as well. Looks like this has never been opened up. I mean, it's used, but look at that. That's in, oh, that's sick. That's in immaculate condition. Look at that. That's packed brilliantly. This is a flat model. You know, I currently have my silver one just over there. I have the black one in my grandparents' house. Now I have this blue one to add to my collection. These are limited edition ones. I'm quite happy in the condition it is. I'll test it out later, make sure it works. See, you got your power button there, on-off button. Oh yeah, that is in immaculate condition. Few scratches at the top, but this is the PAL version. They didn't make a lot of these in PAL. I got this for 40 quid off of eBay, console only. So, yep, really happy with that. Can't wait to start testing that out. Bye bye.